Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here. I want to do an update for our free list building website plugin. This is a new cool feature which everyone is going to get for free. But basically, every single funnel now comes with its own traffic toolkit. So you can see here inside of funnels, you can see everyone has a Facebook post, Twitter, LinkedIn, X, Pinterest, and a WhatsApp. You get social media share, Pinterest copy, email swipes, forum blurbs, short video scripts, and how to turn this funnel into a bigger income, how to earn money with all these different offers, including CPA, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and of course, there's done few approved offers inside this as well. So, guys, the way I've done this is, in a nutshell, there is 97 funnels or 96 funnels inside this plugin. You get the squeeze pages, you get the download pages, you've got everything inside here where you can edit any individual funnel for any list, for any autoresponder. You can rebrand a page, you can add banners, you can rebrand a PDF, tracking codes, pretty much everything is included. And inside the main settings, basically the welcome, it takes less than 30 seconds to set up. Choose your autoresponder, insert, choose the list that you want to, all the leads to go to, and then put in your default affiliate link. And all of the 90 funnels are actually rebranded. You have your dashboard with your tracking and everything like that included. But this part is just really, really cool. Just let's say, for example, I want to share that on Facebook now. I want to pick one angle that I would like to use. And boom, I've got my social media post. I've got everything I need. That I could drop that into the comment and it's going to grab attention. My point here is if you're looking to grow your list from this one method alone, if I was to do this every second day, for example, and every time I do this, you would probably get 20 or 30 leads. But to be conservative, let's say every time you do this, you get 10 leads. You do this 15 times a month. That's 150 leads every single month from basically less than 5 seconds of work. You can multiply that across X, LinkedIn, wherever you want. You can come along, you can use email swipes, you can go to forums, or you can just create videos. We actually created a new AI video creator recently. So this is work really, really cool. So again, guys, it works for every single one. There's no reason not to be growing your list with this. It is just absolutely fantastic. And it is available inside. If you go to funnels, every single funnel, it's got a new tab here with traffic. So just install the plugin and it's ready to go. Cheers.